Shower. I take a shower before breakfast. Shave. He shaves carefully in front of the mirror. Dress. She gets dressed for the day. Boil. I boil water for tea every morning. Fry. He fries eggs in a small pan. Clean. She cleans the table with a cloth. Prepare. I prepare my backpack before school. Nap. He takes a short nap on the couch. Bend. He bends down to tie his shoes. Shake. They shake hands after the game. Wave. I wave goodbye to my friend at the door. Carry. She carries a basket full of laundry. Drop. I drop my pencil by accident. Dive. She dives into the lake. Skate. He skates across the ice smoothly. Roll. He rolls a big snowball. Spin. She spins around in a circle laughing. Swing. I swing back and forth at the park. Flip. He flips the pancake in the air. March. They march in a line together. Thanks for watching. If you liked the content, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends.